Now we are going to see rectangular components of vectors. How to resolve a vector along the x component and y component to find the values of the forces spread on these components because of a weight. Here there is a problem. Find the values of the tension T1 and the tension T2 for the system given in the figure. So this is the figure. Here the T2 is at an angle 50 degrees. That is all is given. So by the method of resolution of vectors or the rectangular components of vectors, we are going to find T2. Resolving it along the y-axis, T2 sine 50 is equal to mg. This is the weight. So I can say mg is 60 into 10, which is equal to 600 Newton. And if you want to find T2, this is equal to, bring the sine 50 here, the value of sine 50 is 0.766. So if you divide 600 by 0.766, you get 783 Newton. So this is one of the answers. Now after finding the tension T1, you have to find the tension T2. T2 we have found, you have to find the tension T1, for which we resolve this T2 along the x component. We say T1 is equal to T2 cos 50. So T2 value is 783 and the cos 50 value is 0.643, which you can find out from the logarithm using logs, or if you go to the cos, here sines you can find the sine 50 value, and if you go to cosine you can find the cos values. So 783 into 0.0643 is equal to 503 Newton. So now we have found the value of tension T1 and the value of the tension T2 in the strings by the method of rectangular components of vectors or resolution of vectors. Thank you.